Welcome back to Travels Large. Today, we're going to depart from the heart of London and show you how to reach London Gatwick Airport using the ultra-fast Gatwick Express train. Grab your boarding pass, buckle up, and let's get started. Alright, so if you're looking for the fastest and most convenient way to get to London Gatwick Airport, the Gatwick Express is the way to go. Head on down to the underground platforms at the Victoria Station and follow the signs that says Gatwick Express. They're almost impossible to miss. For about $20 per person, you can easily get from Victoria Station to the airport, and there's no stops along the way. Once you leave the station, you'll notice Gatwick Express uses modern, smooth riding trains. That way it's a nice, comfortable journey. With the Gatwick Express, you leave all your travel worries behind. The trains run like clockwork, departing about every 15 minutes, so you won't be stuck sitting around. The best part is, within less than 30 minutes, you'll be to the airport. It's quick, easy, and the scenery is absolutely beautiful to watch along the way as well. So make sure you grab yourself a window seat and take in the beauty of the English countryside. Once you arrive at the Gatwick Airport, you'll find yourself right in the heart of where you need to be. Whether you're jetting off to another destination or you're returning home after a great trip, the Gatwick Express has everything you need, providing a seamless journey from start to finish. Thank you for joining us on this speedy adventure from Victoria Station to London Gatwick Airport using the Gatwick Express. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future travel trips. Safe travels, and remember, in a small world, travel's large. Thank you.